What's up, y'all? It's your boy B-Hall back at you again with another video. Remember to hit that like, share, subscribe button. Hit that post notification bells. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen to show you what you can do. Like, it's probably gonna be somewhere right here. I'm gonna mimic my phone. I'm gonna put it right there on the screen. So when I say hit that, I'm gonna show you exactly what you do. Because it doesn't cost, people. It's free. It's actually free. And the majority, a lot of my viewers are non-subscribers. But I'm like, okay. But anyway, that's here nor there. See where I'm at? I'm in my shoe room. You know what that means? More shoes. More shoes. But as you can guess by the thumbnail, it's the Black Cement 3s, the ones that came out last weekend or whatever. I got you know what I'm saying, I got access to them, so I paid retail for them. Was thirsty, had to get them, knowing I ain't gonna wear them. But anyway, here they are. Supposed to be true to the OG. See, true to the OG. The Black Cement 3s. Yep. So it comes in a cement printed box with a black and a red Jumpman on it. You see the red Jumpman and all that. Nike Air branding right there. Nike Air right there too. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna unveil them. Oh, you do got a cement print paper and stuff. Cement print paper or whatever. Then, oh dang, I forgot. It does come with a, I wouldn't say it's a retro card, but it's, I got some Cement 3 stuff. See, so I guess it's, you know, show the design of it, whatever. But anyway, now the moment you've all been waiting for. But shout out Nike, Nike factory store on 87th in South Chicago. That's where I copped them from. That was what my pad sent me to. So, but anyway, here they go. Ooh, ooh, whoa. And even though this is like the 6th or 7th time these then came out, but this is my first pair that had the Nike logo on the back, and I bought them myself. So, but yeah, I'm sure they fit like the other ones. I'm not even gonna stick my foot in these. I'm sure they stick like the other ones. I just had to have them specifically for this video. As you see, you got the Nike hang tag right there. This is like the OG tag. It's not like the other ones from my other 3s. No, oh no, I'm talking about the 4s. Yeah, these are 3s. Yeah, you see, this is like the so you got the Nike hang tag on it or whatever. Now looking at them, off first glance, they look like, you know, classic Air Jordans. They look like classic Air Jordans. They feel really good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. You see that? On this one right here. Look at that. You see that? Man. People weren't lying when they said that. I just noticed it when I just did. What the? Oh wow. Let me see. Oh yeah. This is definitely a defect on it. Like they were rushing to get these out. Well, dang. Oh yeah. You can clearly see it. Look at that. Look at it. You see it? Compared to the right shoe, you see, oh yeah, oh yeah, these like, it's like they got a busted lip or something. But yeah, oh wow. But anyway, as you see, you got your classic black leather all through it with hints of gray. You got a red Jumpman as usual. Nike Air branding in the inside. I'm sure you can't see that, but then we got the Nike on the heel tab. Yep. You know, it comes with the shoe paper. We got the white midsoles. See, got the white midsoles on them. I'm kind of pissed off about this. But dang, I wonder can I return them and get another pair? Cause they didn't sell out. They not sold out on StockX either. But these came straight from the Nike store. So dang, that's messed up. Let me put this shoe down. I don't even like holding it in the camera. That is terrible. That is terrible. Like Charles Barkley, that is terrible. It's like it's like I got two mismatched pair of shoes. This is now I'm looking at it. Ugh. These are terrible. Ugh. Anyway, as you see, I'm gonna put that beat up shoe down. This beat up brand new shoe. But anyways, you see the elephant print is a little lighter. I guess these close to the originals. I don't know, I didn't seen so many Jordan 3s in my life, but I just had to get these, you know, because I wanted to see what it feel like all over again from 2011. You know, that was like 13 years ago. So yeah, got these. See the bottom, Nike Air branding. You know, classic 3-sole. Yeah, these are pretty dope though. But this shoe is, I don't know about that one. That shoe was deformed. But anyway, like I said, I'm not in a rush to wear these at all because I have shoes that have been sitting for a long time. Like a long time. So, but yeah, man, I'm low-key disappointed in the quality of the shoe. Like the serious quality of the shoe. I could have bought something else. I could have went crazy on the hash wall, but I just knew I was getting these, so I don't know. But as you can see, this is, you know, just a regular pair of OG Jordans. You know what I'm saying? Chi-Town Bulls colorway, 1988. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's just another pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? You know, to feed my addiction. It's another pair of shoes to feed my addiction. But actually, you know what? Let me hold on. Let me see. Now don't laugh at these, okay? These are the exact same shoe. This how comfortable the shoe is. It was so comfortable that I worked in them. Now this is the old pair, my old pair. This is the 2011 pair. This been through tough times in these shoes. That's why they look like this. But my Jordans. Oh yeah, you can see the difference in them already. So obviously that's one difference. In the insole, see, this is the newer pair has the red insole. This one has a gray one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a gray insole. This one has the red one. I don't know if y'all can see that. I gotta get a new ring light too. Yeah, then the cement is darker. You see the cement print is a whole lot darker, as you can see. You see it? That's the difference right there. And on the bottom, you see the soles. The older pair has Jordan on it. The newer pair has Nike, like the original 88s. So, shut up. Shut up, wife. Talking a lot. I'm recording the video. Yeah, but other than that, You know, this comes with time. This is why I'm not in a rush to wear them, because they will look like this if I wore them, like, say, like, made this my everyday shoe, which is not gonna happen because I have too many shoes to have an everyday shoe. You know what I'm saying? If somebody want to talk smack at work to me, oh, you ain't got no kicks, I seen your channel and blah blah blah, and I can just, alright, I'm gonna show you something. I ain't gonna pull these out. I can pull any other pair. I can pull another pair out. I'll let you pick a number, bro. I'm gonna come to work with it on. What you want? But anyway, but it's like, other than that, that's pretty much it. Just another pair of Jordans, OG Jordans. You know, being in Chicago, Chi-Town, being in Chicago. You know, Michael Jordan is my GOAT. He's my uncle's GOAT, my father's GOAT, my auntie's GOAT. You know, he everybody's GOAT. Pretty much all that I know. Stuff all these newer, younger punks. They wasn't around to see Mike play. I was trying to see Mike, Kobe, and Bron play. Like I said, Mike is the GOAT. But I mean, other than that, that's all I got for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy B Hall checking out with another video. Alright, Hallway Gang. Peace.